Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. My name's Serena for anybody who's new here. Today's just gonna be like a vlog of a day in my life, or I might extend it on to like a little weekend vlog. Today is Saturday the 13th, February 13th. And I went to a spin class this morning. I've been hanging out with my roommates, like just having breakfast, and I just got dressed and I'm going to run to HomeGoods. I kind of want to get some things for the apartment, like some decorations, and I love walking around like TJ Maxx and HomeGoods and just kind of like seeing what I can find. But yeah, I made my cold brew iced coffee that I showed in the other clip, and what I'm wearing, I have this little like Calvin Klein like workout type top. It's just like a zip up, and then I have these Fabletics. They're pink leggings. They're super comfortable. And then under this I have an Amazon tank. So like this is a workout tank from Amazon, and I have it in a couple colors, and it's just so comfortable. It's only $20, and I'm definitely gonna get some more colors. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing, and it's freezing out, so I'm gonna have a winter jacket on too. But yeah, I'm gonna head to HomeGoods, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do with my day, but just kind of like run errands and, you know, get a lot of things done. Okay, so I'm thinking that at HomeGoods, I want to get like one of those little trays for the coffee table, like a little marble tray where you put like a candle in it, like a book, and then flowers. I don't know. I'm trying to like bring more like spring decorations to the house, but we've been so lucky where my roommate's mom owns like a home decor store, so she's like decorated our whole apartment, thank God. But yeah, I just love going to HomeGoods or TJ Maxx and just kind of like walking around. I'll probably go to Target too, honestly. I don't know, just kind of like walking around and like not having anything planned to do, like nothing for the rest of the day, and just kind of like walking around and looking at everything and buying some things. But yeah, I don't know, it's just so therapeutic. And Riley is coming today to the apartment. It's 1:45 and he's leaving at 4, so he'll probably get here around like 6 or 6:30. Yeah, I don't know, probably around that time. And I don't know what we'll do. Maybe like go out to get dinner and drinks. I don't know, we always do something like that. But we have reservations for Earl's for Valentine's Day tomorrow, and I'm gonna vlog that. I don't know if I'm gonna make that a part of this vlog or if I'm gonna do that separately, but yeah, we'll see. I'm not sure what I'm doing yet. Okay, so we had a success, I would call it. Not at HomeGoods, at Target. You can always count to find something at Target. Find whatever you need. But I just got a bunch of these mason jars because I want to put my iced coffees in the morning in mason jars. I'm not sure. I just have like the stainless steel straws, and then I don't know, I just love the look of iced coffee in a mason jar, and there was a whole pack of 12 and it was like $8, so I was like, yeah, why not? And then I found exactly what I was looking for. Hold on, if I can move this out of the way. At Target, this little white marble decorative tray for our coffee table. So we have a candle that we're going to put on it, and then we're going to put a little jar with, or not a jar, a vase with flowers. And I actually couldn't find a small enough vase that looked good with this, because there were some like weird print ones that just weren't cutting it. So I'm actually gonna thinking that we'll just use one of these little mason jars as a flower vase, and then put a candle on it and put it on our coffee table, and I feel like that would look cute. And then I got peanut M&Ms because Riley loves them and he's coming up tonight, and I already cracked into them, as you can see, because I love chocolate, and I'm kind of low blood sugar right now because I need to go home and eat lunch, or I don't know, eat like an early dinner, whatever. But yeah, I already opened these, he's gonna laugh. So yeah, I'd say that it was a success, and I'm excited to go put it on my coffee table and see how it looks. Okay, I just made my last stop, my last errand for the day. I went to Whole Foods and I got some rice pilaf, some shrimp, Cajun seasoning for Cajun shrimp with rice, and then I got broccoli so that I can do roasted broccoli for when Riley comes here. He's actually gonna come here and make all of it because he's the chef out of the two of us, but I just got all of that so that we can have that for dinner. And then I also got some things for breakfast. I'm trying to look for one last thing that I got. Here it is. So whenever I go to the grocery store nowadays, I just get like these little wellness shots just because they're fun, and why not? So this is the Core Wellness shot. It's cold pressed ginger juice, but it also has lemon juice, coconut water, and cayenne pepper, however you say that. Yeah, I'm gonna take this right now. These things are usually pretty strong, but why not? You know, in the times we live in, our immune systems could use that extra boost anyway. All right. Okay. Cheers. Oh, that's spicy. Oh my gosh, I don't have water either. That was a mistake. Whew. Oh my gosh, that's spicy. Okay, now I gotta drive home so I can drink water. Okay, so it's a little bit later. I am home and I set up the white marble tray on our coffee table, and it actually looks so good. We put a candle in it and it fits perfectly. I have my candle going right here. And I'll show you guys what that looks like, but my roommates are watching a movie right now in the living room, so I don't want to like go out with a camera and just start like filming in the middle of their movie. But I think the movie ends soon, but I'm definitely going to show you guys that. I wish that they had another one at Target, because I feel like another like little white tray would have looked good right here to kind of like organize, and I would have like gotten rid of like all of these like lotions and perfumes that I have on this side of my desk. But yeah, that's okay, they only had one. But yeah, it looks really good out there, especially with the little candle on top. I'm making tea right now. Riley's on his way. He should be here in like an hour and a half-ish. His drive is 2 hours today because he's coming from work. So just kind of hanging out, relaxing. I'm glad I got all my errands run, and yeah, I'll update you guys when the movie's done and I can show you how the little tray looks on our coffee table. Okay, this looks so cute because the candle like matches the tapestry with the purple, and then like the white marble matches the white pillow. This is all crazy over here, but yeah, this is how it looks. It looks so nice with our little living room. And I was saying that I wish I had one for my room because this would look nice on my dresser too, but there was only one there. But it looks better out here anyway. Kind of pulls the table together. And Allie's over here and we're all working on a puzzle. This is so funny. I was never a
puzzle gal, and now I am a puzzle gal.
Yeah, this is what it's supposed to look like, and it's actually getting there. It looks really good.
Every day.
Like, wow, this looks really good. I know, we work on it every day.
It's so fun.
Dinner is ready. Rice pilaf, Cajun shrimp, and, oh gosh, roasted broccoli, made by yours truly. Aww. Okay, actually this came out so good, and I'm so excited. What are we doing? Going to get wine and cookies. Right? Lots of cookies. Chocolate chip cookies, because I'm in the mood for some. Ooh, how am I gonna get across? They're like snowbanks the size, not the size. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I'm trying to like climb over this snowbank with the camera in my hand and not fall. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Success. Alright. We made it in. Come here. Come here. Alright, Riley ate about
2 pounds.
2 pounds of cookie dough. You're supposed to put them in even. Did you see that? No. Real line. Look at it, I can't put my hand in there. Riley.
Riley bros, yeah. I'm just kidding.
Haha, so funny. Okay. How many minutes?
Pull out the... It's on the top, just...
Okay, so the cookies are ready. They look so good. I'm excited to eat them. I've been craving chocolate all day, and wine is in hand, and I think Riley and I are gonna put on a movie, just kind of relax, and yeah, just kind of hang out for the night. We're gonna go do something, possibly like go out to eat or go grab a drink or whatnot, but we're saving that all for tomorrow because tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so that's when we're gonna do all the fun stuff. And I'm so excited about this. I don't know, this is just like the cutest little tray, and I lit my favorite candle, which is my vanilla candle from my step sibling who owns her own little candle business. So yeah, we have Shameless on right now, but we'll probably put a movie on. And I think I'm gonna end this vlog off here. Thanks for watching, guys. I am going to vlog Valentine's Day tomorrow. I'm really excited. So I'll see you in that vlog. I hope you guys have a great night. Bye.